Ich will spielen! Los! Ab das Feuer! Sofort! Mann, mach hinter! Ich will am Tournament spielen!
As day 2 begins, the endurance team controls the lead, while the military remains in second, and the mountaineers trail behind in last. Making great time, the first place endurance team can't pass on the opportunity to load up on salmon.
Even though we're in a good situation with food, we can always use more food. The best food that I know of for traveling long distances out here is salmon. It's the oils you need, it's the fat you need, it's the protein you need. So we need to take this opportunity to catch some fish to get us on that last stretch of this run. Got a fish.
Starte! Das Spiel, du Hurensohn, das wird spielen!
Whoa! There's a bear right there. He's so fast I didn't even see it.
We should probably get a little bit more together. We're focusing on fishing, and next thing we see is Big Bear coming down the river right towards Sean. You wanna come back this way? Getting close!
Sean!
Was ist das denn? Oh mein Gott, was ist geschehen?
Sean, why don't you start working your way back here?
At the same time I'm putting on my shoes, the bear sees me get smaller, which excites the bear. Sean! Get out of there!
Come on back, Sean!
Ah!